Hey everyone, the time has come. We're gonna do a little jogress here with Mummymon, with Hippogriffamon to get Zuchaomon is what I think we're supposed to get. So this will be our last step, and then I'll be training him up for the tournament. Here we go. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I've got Deathmon before on the Nightmare Soldiers one, so there's that. Now we got Zuchaomon. Okay, let's see. Feed him a little bit, and then we'll try and see if we can get him to show his face a little. Oh, dang it. Let's try that again. Hey, there's a big bird. Pretty cool. All right. That is it for now, and I'll see about trying to record some of the tournament, which I think will be on the 23rd. So until then, see you later.